Welcome back to the 950 Again Rebuild. In part 15, y'all saw how I had a blown head gasket. So in part 16, we're gonna fix the blown head gasket and try to take it on its first test drive. So let's get started. I got that pipe on all the way. I just gotta replicate this side and get it right to fit over this axle how I want it to. I got the exhaust to a good point just to do the carburetor. I'm gonna finish the exhaust later, like fine tune it. Alright, I got a new car put together. I got some block offs right here. Got this on. Got the brake booster one on. Got that block off. Got the choke set to where I want it at. So I'm ready to put it back on the car. Got the battery in, brand new battery in, timing light ready. Put some gas in it. I got the car set. I had changed the timing mark to 12 degrees and I put a tape on it. When I first did it, the tape was way on this side. So that means it was off by like a lot. I got my vacuum gauge hooked up to the PVC port. When I start it, it's going to tell me how much vacuum I got. Let it go. Alright, go. Put it in drive. Let it go. Just drain the old. This water. I had chlorine up before, but this water, mostly water. Just gotta tighten the hose back up and fill it up with coolant and some water. Got my car out. Drove out. I've been working for about 4 hours now, but I'm getting to the head parts and the intake, and my spark is giving out on me. This one about to break, and this one about to break. I literally bought this swivel an hour ago, and it's broke already. Had to buy $100+ impact wrench just to get these two bolts in. The one to go right there and right there, cause it's too tight. And I can't get it. Well, you can't take those out with a regular ratchet. Had to take all this off, all this off, all this off, all this off, all that off, that off, that off, that off. I got it to where I needed to be. Took everything apart to the head gasket. So this is what's the problem, the issue is. I gotta change this. And it got different like passages for oil and coolant. Ain't no oil and water don't mix. So when this mess up, it have a leak between the oil and the water, and then it mess up your engine. got all the bolts in on this side and this side. I just torqued down this side with a torque wrench. I put it in a specific pattern. I'm gonna put a pattern on the screen, but I'm gonna torque this down one more time to check everything and then go on that side and do that. After the first start, it started going that slow, so I stopped. I tried like 2-3 times, but then I stopped. Then I want to look back at a different method of adjusting the valve. So I'm gonna unloose everything again, try the new method to adjust them, and then try to start it over again. So it's gonna take like an hour or two. I think I figured out the problem why it's not running. So one, I had the top dead center wrong. I had it 180 out. That's the one problem. And then I put the distributor in wrong too. I just dropped it back in, not thinking about how it was. Cause this is the true top dead center, and it's pointing that way. It's supposed to be pointing that way. Alright, I just did it for a third time. Adjusted all the valves, redid the distributor. I'm gonna put the valve covers on, but I ain't gonna. I'm gonna just sit them on there and try it and see if it crank up. Definitely had a blown head gasket. You can see the water coolant mixed with the oil. I just changed the oil on the car. Now I'm gonna do the timing, the tuning, and then you guys get it running. But I already showed y'all that, so I'm gonna just do it and then show y'all when I'm pulling it out to get ready for a test drive. I don't know what's going on with here. I'm gonna check my valve covers and everything, clean everything up, clean this up, lay something down, and then start it back up and see what happens. Check everything, let it idle for like 5 minutes. Watch all the fluid. I let it run for about 5-6 minutes. I got no leaks because I sealed the valve covers and let it dry for like half a day. Everything cleaned out. Ready to take it on that first test drive. I drove it around Trojan a few times. Now I have to take it on the first little road trip. Got it at the car wash so I can wash it. But I drove like 4 miles here, about 4 or 5 miles here. I feel like the transmission not shifting right, but the engine good. I feel like the transmission not shifting right. But I'm gonna have to look at that. There's no oil. I don't see no oil leaking. Nothing. So I don't know. I gotta check the transmission later. Getting it washed up. Put soap on it off and scrub it and rinse it back off and then take it back home. Just got done washing it. The inside wet because I gotta fix. I never put this window on. I gotta put some window well around this whole glass. So I gotta fix that. Put the seals around this door align this door and line that door. And then put extra bead around this front so no water can get in at all. That's the inner part 16 of 960 Camino build. And part 16, there's been a lot of ups and downs. The motor didn't work. Well, I did the motor first time, blown head gasket, fixed it. The motor took about 35 to 40 some hours. I used straight hand tools, a lot of hand tools, so it took a long time to do that. So today was the first official test drive on the road, and then they had a lot of stuff going on. I think the transmission, there's something wrong with the transmission, or a cable or something missing, I don't know. I gotta do research on that. But as far as it goes, driving, the engine, everything good, no oil leaks, no nothing. It won't go past 35, so I think it's a transmission issue. It won't go past 35, so it was just vibrating when it went past 35. But other than that, the engine good and stuff like that. So transmission, paint, undercoating. Well, transmission, paint, wiring, and that should be it for this. So we almost done. There's a lot of stuff that's hitting me. So I ain't gonna let it stop me though. We're gonna get that going. So we almost done. Paint, wiring, figure out the transmission issue, get it running 100%. But we should be almost done within this next. I ain't gonna say within nothing, but we should be almost done. So like, comment, subscribe, stay tuned, cause it's gonna only get better from here. Alright, I left one thing out. This is the last 2 videos to this series. Part 16, the one you just saw, and part 17 is gonna be later on. So part 17 gonna be basically all the little things being done, undercoating, getting the engine running, transmission, wiring, final interior pieces, and paint. And after that, it's gonna be the reveal video. So it's this video, all the minor stuff in part 17, and then, well, 17 is minor stuff in paint, and then after that it's gonna be a reveal. So these last 2 videos to the series. So like, comment, subscribe, stay tuned. We almost done.